This time, Camp Alarm System, Part 3. Snake's 1-minute survival tip. Fishing accessories, such as electronic bite indicators, can make perfect alarm devices. So let's get to work and bring the devices to life. I set up 2 different alarm devices, each with its own tactical purpose. With the crossbar trigger, you can secure several paths at the same time with one alarm device. If intruders split up, there is an even higher chance that they will set off the alarm. The work is done, now it's test time, and here we go. First we see what is called a silent alarm. Only a flashing light indicates a security breach. The second device attracts attention with a loud, pulsating sound and a LED light. Well, that's it, until next time.